Hey guys, we got a great video for you today. I'm here with Jackie as always. So what we'll be doing today is explaining the shuttering system within the wind tunnel, and then Jackie will go on and explain hot wire anemometry for you guys. So we'll go ahead, hop into the plenum. Oh, and got a special guest today, a special visitor from the flight simulator, Miss Rachel. So when you walk into the tunnel, you'll see we have our inlet over here and then the collector. And within the collector, we have our shuttering system. So when you want to use this, it's critically important that you take this wood panel out because that keeps it from oscillating when we're just doing normal testing. And if you're too short, like Rachel, you can just take this stool down here and that'll help you reach into the shuttering system. So over here we have the electrical panel. To turn this on, you'll take the key, you'll turn it. Oh, it was already unlocked, my bad. So you'll just turn it, and then you turn this knob to on, and then give it a second, and then you'll hit reset, and you'll see this light comes on. That's a good sign, green means go. And then if you come on over here to the computer, this is what we use to control the shuttering system. There's a desktop application called Shortcut to Flow Mod. Just double click that and that'll bring up the controller. So you have two kind of options over here. This is the arbitrary contour. This is if you want to input your own specific frequency. However, sine wave is good for most applications. So our shuttering system can actually run from 0.1 hertz to 4 hertz. So to just give you a demonstration of what that looks like, I'm going to set this to 4 hertz and then hit run. And if you look in the tunnel now, you can see the shuttering system going. So if you look, when we fire up the 4 hertz, this is what you get. It moves pretty quickly. And then what we can do is when this is done, we'll change it to 1 hertz and you can kind of see the change in oscillation. So I have my lovely assistant change it. And now you can see the shuttering. And so that's the UD shuttering system. Hopefully you learned something at least. And then I'm going to hand it off to wonderful Jackie over here to walk you guys through hot wire.
One thing that Neil didn't mention in the shuttering system is that our shuttering system can only operate at low speed. So the velocity of the wind tunnel cannot reach 20 meters per second. So the maximum RPM for the motor is 400 RPM. So do not run any velocity higher than 20 meters per second when you're running the shuttering system.